In today's video, it's all about the side dishes. And if you are still trying to plan your Christmas Day dinner menu, then hopefully this video will help you out. Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you're still trying to figure out what you're gonna make on your Christmas menu, then I have a couple of side dishes that will be perfect. They're very easy to make and very delicious. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, I have my potatoes cooked and drained. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add, now the recipe calls for you to cook the potatoes with the garlic cloves, but I'd rather just add a little bit of garlic powder to the potatoes because I feel like it flavors it more. Then I'm gonna add, and again, I'm halving this recipe, so now I'm gonna add the cream cheese, and I'm gonna add the cream cheese first. It's not that much cream cheese, but you wanna try to get it at room temperature. But I'm gonna add the cream cheese first in the hopes that it will melt the cream cheese better. So I'm gonna get this stirred up until the cream cheese is smooth. Now I'm gonna add my butter and get that mixed in and melted. And now I'm gonna add the half and half. I'm gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon. I'm gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Probably won't even add that much, that's a lot. And then a 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. Get that mixed up well. And it says, once I get all this done, to use a potato masher to mash the potatoes, but I'm not gonna have to do that because just me stirring it so much. There may be a few chunks in there, but that's okay, I don't mind a few chunks. And then you're gonna add half of the pepper jack. Sorry, pepper jack. And mix that up. And I have my oven preheated to 350, and I have my casserole dish sprayed. So as soon as I get this mixed up, and if I see any big chunks, I'll just kind of mash them a little bit. I'm gonna get it put into the casserole dish. All right, now you're just gonna level this out. Sprinkle it with the remaining pepper jack. then you are going to just sprinkle some more chili powder on top. Not much, just to give it a little extra flavor. And then you're gonna cook it. I may have said 350 earlier. It's 375, and you're gonna cook it for about 20 minutes. I hope you enjoyed these side dish recipes. Let me know in the comments after you make them and tell me what you think. Also, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I would love it if you would become a part of my YouTube family if you like all things homemaking, whether it's cooking, recipe ideas, shopping hauls, home decor. Then make sure to click the subscribe button down below and don't forget to click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And if you want some more easy recipe ideas, then make sure you click the box you see on the screen right now, and I will see you next time. Have a very Merry Christmas. Bye.